Got my windows down in my Chevy, free falling like Petty. I'm cruising through the country, got the needle rolling steady. I ain't trying to see nobody, I'm just trying to spend some time reflecting on myself while I'm out throwing some line. I don't need no case of beer and I don't need no bottle of shine. I'm just out here for myself so that I can clear my mind. When this life gets going heavy, somehow I just know it's time to load it up in the pickup truck and hit that county line. I spend a lot of damn time out in them pines with my fishing pole and my four-wheel drive. I'm trying to find me somewhere way up past the county line. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. I'm on that up and go, I'm on that gone all night. I'm on that don't call my cell phone cause I ain't thinking right. I'm out here trying to find patience and I don't care the cause. I'm so secluded and honestly I don't wanna talk. I keep a bag packed up in my pickup truck. Some people carry a Bible, I got a fishing rod. So you can find me on an old dirt road, way out yonder where them country boys go. I spend a lot of damn time out in them pines with my fishing pole and my four-wheel drive. I'm trying to find me somewhere way up past the county line. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. Got the windows down, listening to the radio. Fishtail that dirt road, that dust kicked up in a zip code that can't be found by the mailman. I'm somewhere out by the whispering pond, listening to the sound of an old Willie song. Truck parked down by the creekside, you can find it on a country road. Take me on a journey to a place nobody knows. I just wanna be alone, somewhere I ain't well known. I just wanna find myself somewhere on that county road. I spend a lot of damn time out in them pines with my fishing pole and my four-wheel drive. I'm trying to find me somewhere way up past the county line. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't. I spend a lot of damn time out in them pines with my fishing pole and my four-wheel drive. I'm trying to find me somewhere way up past the county line. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive. You ain't about to tell me nothing, cause some country boys can't survive.
I got enough lift, just drive over it.
Come over this way.
Jesus, Matthew. Oh, that's a picture right there.
You weren't supposed to stop on the pile.
Take that bitch in. You guys make fun of my lift kit. Fuck yeah. Rock crawler right here, man.
wanna get wild, then we'll find a field. Maybe tear it up, dig some ruts, call up some buddies and turn it up. Ice chest full of that good old stuff. BYOB, just bringing up. Bass so loud you can hear them coming. We off the maps, off in the bottoms, no cops around, so we ain't worried about nothing. But if you don't find us there, then we're probably rolling. On my side of town, we ride around with the bass up loud and the windows down. Just rolling, just rolling. Might hit a dirt road by a pack of marbles with that ice chest full of cold. Just rolling.